When creating microservice applications, collaborating across dev and ops teams is essential for success. But current workflows are inefficient, causing friction and lost time. Architecture documentation is stored in README files that quickly become out of date. Information is emailed from person to person with no single source of truth. And there are breakdowns with different orchestration environments being used by dev and ops. With Yippee.io's sharing ability and team model, collaboration becomes seamless. Let me show you how. Yippee.io enables both private applications and public applications. Private apps are only visible to you and the individuals or teams you choose to share with. Public applications are visible to all Yippee.io users to download orchestration files or to open in the modeler to fork a new copy. With an individual account, you are able to share your applications by either making them public or sharing them privately with another Yippee.io user. To make an application public, simply click the menu button on the application and hit Make Application Public. Once you have made your application public, it now shows up in the Public Application section and the lock is removed. To share your applications with a specific user, go to the settings by clicking on the arrow next to your GitHub icon. Click on the Sharing tab and simply add the GitHub ID and click Add User. They now show up in the list and are able to view and download orchestration files for any application in your account by selecting your GitHub username from their context menu. With team accounts, each user is still able to make applications public and share with individual users from their own account, but now also have a team space for all private team applications. You can add other Yippee.io users to your team as read-only members, writers who can create and edit any application in the team space, or admins who can administer team users and make applications public. In the settings page, select your team, add another Yippee.io user, and then specify if they are a writer or an admin. Now that user can see your team in their context menu. If they select your team, they will see your team applications, and if they have writer access, be able to create and edit applications for your team. If they were added as an admin, they will see your team in the settings page. Now each member of the team has their own private space and team space. Learn more about Yippee.io and teams by going to yippee.io.